Students, today I am going to explain you chapter number 19. Satyam Mayurah means it's really a peacock. In this story, we have a conversation between a Shishya named Shandilya and a Guru named Parivrajaka. So first of all, I will give you a general introduction about this lesson. Out of the 10 types of a Rupak or a place in the Sanskrit literature, Prahasans or affairs is the one. The plot of Prahasan is confined in a one single day. Many Prahasans have been composed in a Sanskrit language. Bhagavad Dajjukiyam is perhaps the most well known among them. Its authorship is not certain. Many scholars think that the poet named Bodhayan has composed it in the 4th century AD. Shandilya, a boy born in a poor family, does not want to work hard to earn his livelihood, and so at first leaves his house and become a Buddhist monk. But very soon he realized that the Buddhist monk have to observe various kind of fast. He gave up the Buddhism and become a disciple of a wandering monk named Parivrajaka. In this lesson, both of them come in the garden. The disciple imaginary fear and laziness amuses. Nevertheless, his guru urged him to use his valuable time in studying, being a monk. Guru is not interested in the beauty of the garden. He gives more importance to study. When we are made to study so many subjects in the school, very often we don't understand the significance of every subject. We wonder why we should study. Parivrajak has made an important point that some things are understood after some time. Time and experience of a real life is important things. Therefore, it is said, knowledge comes, but the wisdom lingers. So, let's start our lesson. Sandilya. Bho Bhagwana idam udhyanam. Sandilya says to his guru Parivrajak, "Oh, respected sir, this is the garden." Parivrajaka pravisha agratah. Parivrajak said, "Go ahead." Sandilya Bhagwana evah purata pravishatu aham prushtata pravishami. Sandilya says, "Respected sir himself should enter first. I am coming behind you." Parivrajaka kimartham means Parivrajak asked, "Why?" Sandilya पौराणिकस्य मया मम मातु श्रुतम अशोक पल्लवान अनंतर निरुद्धो व्याघ्रम प्रतिवसति तद भगवानेव पुरतः प्रविशतु अहम पृष्ठतम प्रविशामि. Shandilya says, "I have heard from my mother, who was well versed in the ancient legends, that there is a tiger hidden behind the leaves of a Ashoka tree. So may respected sir enter first. I am entering after you." Parivrajaka Badham pravishati tata pravishati Sandilya. Parivrajak, fine. Enter in the garden, and then Shandilya enter in the garden. Shandilya aviha vyagrena gruhito asmi mochayatham ma vyaghramukhatam anatha iva vyagrena khadito asmi idam khalu rudiram prastravati kanthata. Shandilya, alas, I am caught by a tiger. Save me from the mouth of the tiger. I have been eaten by the tiger as if I am an orphan. Indeed, this is the blood flowing from the throat. Parivrajaka Sandilya na betavyam mayura khalu esha. Sandilya. Parivrajak says, "Sandilya, you not need to fear. Don't be afraid. It's indeed a peacock." Sandilya Satyam Mayuram. Shandilya asked, "It is really a peacock?" Parivrajak Athakim Satyam Mayura. Parivrajak, quite so. It's really a peacock. Sandilya Yadi Mayura Udghatayami Akshinim means Sandilya says, if it's a peacock, I am opening my eyes. Parivrajaka Chandatah. Parivrajak, as you please. शाण्डिल्य अविधा दास्यापुत्रो व्याघो मददयेन मयूररूपं गृहीत्वा पलायते। हि चंपक कदंब सप्तवर्ण चंदनम तगर खदीर कदलीसम वकीर्णम मालतीलता मंडपमंडित सुखावहम अहो रमणीयम खलु इदम उद्यानम। Sandilya says, alas, this blessed tiger being afraid of me runs away assuming the form of a peacock. Aha, how beautiful indeed this pleasant garden. It's a full of champak, kadam, saptavarna, chandana, tagar, khadir and kadli trees and adorned by the bower of the Malti creeper. Means this garden is very beautiful with the different types of trees. The champak, kadam, saptavarna, chandana are the names of different types of trees. परिव्राजक मूर्ख क्षणे क्षणे क्षीणमाणे शरीरेम ति किम ते रमणीयम आगच्छ वत्स पठ तावत। परिव्राजक ओ यू फूल, when every moment one's body is wasting what is beautiful for you, come son, now study for a while. शाण्डिल्य न तावत पठिष्यामि। शाण्डिल्य I am not going to recite now or study now. परिव्राजक किमर्थम? परिव्राजक ask why. शाण्डिल्य पठनस्य तावतम अर्थ ज्ञातुम इच्छामि। Means Sandilya says, first I wish to know the meaning of what I recite and why should I learn. परिव्राजक पठितपाठे अपि कालांतरम विज्ञेया भवति पठनार्था तस्मातं पठ तावत। Means परिव्राजक says the meaning of what they recite is likely to be understood after a certain time even by those who have learned the lesson. Therefore recite now. शाण्डिल्य पठनेन किं भविष्यति? Means what will happen by reciting. परिव्राजक शृणु पठनेन विना न प्राप्यते विद्या। परिव्राजक से लिसन, लर्निंग इज नॉट अक्वायर्ड विदाउट रिसाइटेशंस। न विद्यया विना सौख्यम नराणाम जायते ध्रुवम अतो धर्मार्थ मोक्षेभ्यो विद्याभ्यासम समाचरेत। मीन्स द मैन डू नॉट अचीव द परमानेंट हैप्पीनेस विदाउट द लर्निंग, सो वन शुड pursue the study for attainment of a religious merit, wealth and liberations.